People talking about my shirt. So here we are, you guys. We're on the GoPro 10. Rain stopped. Here we are. How you doing? Oh, nice man. Look at that bad boy. 27 Chevy. Nice. Very nice. That bad boy. Over here. Iowa 49 Hemi.
Why does it say car go on the front?
Hey, a kid do a car show. You're absolutely right. Nice. Nice. That's a gangster car right there.
I'll tell you what, we'll go to New York City, you'll be a gangster.
Very nice. Good to see the rain. I saw people coming out.
Well, we get back to our direct.
See anything here? Anything you like here, sir? There's your gangster car right there. That Iowa. That's your gangster car. Take it for a ride. Get on over there. Come on, be a gangster like in New York. Be mafia. I'll tell you what.
Look at the mafia, huh? I'm getting in the car. I'm too old.
No, you're only 21. Don't give me no crap. Don't give me no garbage. Don't lie to me. Okay. Never seen it. Oh yeah, the Chevelle. Gotta love it.
Yeah.
What year's that bad boy? Nice. Gotta love it. How long have you had it?
2007 maybe.
Keep your hope alive. Who'd you buy it from?
Bought it down in St. Louis.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Drove down
Nice.
her body, yeah.
Nice.
Yep.
Gotta love it, man. Woohoo! How many miles on it?
Oh, I can't answer that anymore, you know.
What kind of engine you got in it?
327.
327?
Yeah.
That will go live longer than you. Dead serious.
Well, because it's got about 10,000 miles on it right now, so we redid it. So yeah.
Right. Absolutely. Yeah, thank you. I do too. Not bad for 20. I did too. I like it too.
Where did you get it?
I made it myself.
Oh, awesome.
Thank you. They like my Trump walk them up. That was nice. Some are leaving. Kind of get over into here. Had to go down there with music sound, man. Nice. Gotta love it. How long have you had the car? How long have you had it?
We've been driving for 4 years to build it.
Nice. So if I take it for a ride, does she come with me? Keep up alive, my friend. Nice job. Nice job.
Thank you.
Very nice.
It's a blast.
Oh, I bet, man. Absolutely. Look at this bad pal. 1960. Gotta love it. People are liking my my shirt, so. Look at that bad boy. That's a nice vehicle. Hello, how are you?
Good, brother. How you doing?
Good. Rain kind of stopped. Kind of go out. Us old people can go out, you know.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Do whatever you want to do.
Absolutely. What year is this bad boy, young man?
55.
Woo, how long have you had it?
1989.
Jeez. Looks nice. What kind of engine you got in that bad boy?
350. AC3. Trade force.
How many miles on that bad boy? Not many. Nice. Very nice. Keep hope alive, I always say.
I've been running this for 20 years.
Is it a trailer queen? I'm just kidding. The people, I was in Reno. I set up her to piss you off. That's why. That's why I said. There was like one time I was in Reno watching. They were motorcycle thing. And I'm up in my hotel room, and 3 guys pull up, put the motorcycles on the back, take them out the trailer, put all their stuff on, drive around the front to check in. And I walk up, hey, nice ride in, huh? And I looked at because I saw them put all the motorcycles off the trailer, put all their stuff on, and drive around.
Pretenders.
I'm like, come on, I know. It's not a trailer queen. You buy,
10-year project.
yeah, you buy to drive it, and you know, good for you. Keep hope alive, my friend. Oh, but nice. What year is this one?
33.
Whew. Nice. Look at that bad boy. Love the color. Very nice. Purple Rain. Some nice vehicles over here. Oh my goodness. Look on the guy's face when I said, is it a trailer queen? Called trolling. I like this one right over here. I like this one. This one's nice. Yeah, I guess I probably could have brought the microphone, but I didn't know how long it was going to be up or not. So it is what it is. I don't want to chance it. There we go, guys. Kind of go back into here. That boy's kind of cool. They modified it. Kind of cool. Ride around that bad boy. This one's nice. Delivering since 1935. You call, we haul. That's right. That bad boy. I mean, there's so many of them. That one's nice too, is over here as well. See him over here. It's a nice wagon right over there. Look at that Impala, nice. I like the colors on that bad boy. Got a bunch of trucks over there. Nice. It's a nice vehicle right here. Nice. What year is this bad boy?
1955.
Nice. How long have you had it?
We picked it up in 2017. Stripped the whole thing down to bare metal. Didn't take it off the frame, but basically tore the whole car.
I want to get a Javelin someday and do that. I'd like to get a Javelin. Or a 65 Chevy Impala SS convertible. That's my first car I ever had. I want to get one of some way.
The old Javelin. That was
Yeah, I love to get one. My next I had one. It was great. Can I get over here? You get some. You get convertibles over here. Got that over there. Very nice. Oh, this one right here. This is cool. It's Dodge. Nice. Even Canada, man. Oh, Canada. Very nice. Yeah, it's good to see the rain stopped. That's nice. Very nice. Anyways, guys. All kinds of good vehicles. We go on and on and on. We'll make our way back to the car, take some pictures for my calendar. So anyways, guys, we'll see you in the next one, okay? Anyway.